How many people do you know who hardly ever work, but always seem to have money to do whatever they like? Let me know in the comments because this is a real question. But today's video is 5 ways to start making money online. And this one is for the broke and the lazy people. Let's get right on to it. All right, y'all. The first way is you can become right now by clicking the description below. You can become a business loan broker. Now, this is already done for you. All you do is just sign up using my link. Okay, training is provided. Your website is provided. Everything is provided for you. Just sign up. All right, so what you can do is you find business owners. You offer them business funding. This is so easy to do, especially if you are already active on social media. All right. The second thing you can do, you can find, gig workers like Uber drivers, Instacart drivers, maybe a hairstylist who just got going and doesn't have her business set up yet, and their income is less than $5,000 a month. This would be the instant micro funding. Okay. You could help people, business owners who, are making $10,000 a month. Continuously and regularly. You could help them get a $250,000 line of credit, y'all. This is crazy. But you could help people to do so many things by signing up as a business loan broker. But let me tell you, this leads to my next. You got to sign up to be a business loan broker to do the next thing that I'm going to talk about. And I forgot to say, y'all, the last one I'm going to talk about today is spicy. It's a little controversial. So stick around and watch this video all the way till the end because you don't want to miss out on this one, okay? It's really for the broke and lazy. All right. So once you sign up as a business loan broker, you are eligible to become a drug dealer. Well, not really a drug dealer, but you know what I'm saying. You can help people to get subscribed to the flat fee pharmacy. Now, the flat fee pharmacy, all right, it's basically a monthly prescription. And basically, people get free prescriptions because they pay a flat fee to be a part of the membership. All right. So all you got to do now, tell me this though. How many people do you know that take prescriptions on a monthly basis? Like high blood pressure medicine, high cholesterol, diabetes, all that kinds of stuff, right? If you know people who are doing that, help them to get with the flat fee pharmacy. Help them to become a member. Now, the cost is at this moment $29 a month. Some people are paying more than $29 in a dang on copay. All right. So yes, you've got to sign up first under the business loan broker. Actually, okay, correction. The flat fee pharmacy, as you can see, is $19.95. Wow, I was way off. So it's only $19.95, y'all. So go ahead and get started. That's lots of money in the bank because we all know people who are taking prescriptions every month. So let's get to the next one. All right. The next one that I want to talk about today is, now I'm going to tell you, this is one of my favorites, y'all. This is one of my favorites. It's an all-in-one digital business. It's one of my favorites because it caught me by surprise, y'all. It caught me by surprise. It's actually the world's first all-in-one digital business. Now, I'm going to just say this. Everybody doesn't have an online business. However, a lot of people have a stay-at-home, work-from-home business of some sort. They may not know how to get customers online, but they might be working for family members or church members or bowling league members or friends, right? But they might, I'm going to just tell you, the all-in-one business helps every entrepreneur to get a website and sales funnel. Let me just show you how you would make the money. All right. And basically, every time one of those entrepreneurs signs up to get a done-for-you product, which includes websites, emails, and traffic training, you get 80% commission. 80%, y'all. And I'm going to tell you, they have already helped millions of people to get paid from this all-in-one business, okay? I'm trying to look and find one part that I want to tell you. So basically, when you sign up for this, in the description box below, you are going to start getting $20 a month or $100 a month commission. Now, how are those two different? Basically, the $25 is that's one product. The second product is $125. All right. And the 125 includes masterminds. It includes trainings. It includes done for you emails. And of course, it already includes hundreds of emails, email templates and websites, and 24-hour support and a Facebook group. You name it, it's all here. And you do this, y'all, without your own products, without having to be customer service, without having to build complicated funnels and websites. It's already done for you. All right. So let me tell y'all, if you're learning anything, drop a fire emoji in the chat. And like I said, stay around until the end because it's about to get hot up in here. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next one. Now, the next way to make money. Also, you know what, y'all? Stick around because I'm going to show you how to implement all these. And I'm sorry, y'all, if my energy is a little low. I had to record this video a second time because the first time my microphone was not on. This little beauty right here, okay? It wasn't on. And, you know, the microphone is a big part. If you're going to do videos to make money online, a nice microphone is a key component to, you know, getting people to stay and to continue watching your videos. And I only paid $49 for that video, for that microphone. So don't worry, y'all, about, you know, expensive equipment and all of that, because these webcams, I used to make videos with my phone for the longest, and I just use webcams, a $49 mic. I do sometimes use another mic that I pin on me, but let's get back to making this money. Let's get back to the fourth way to make money with your online business, the broke and the easy way. Let's go. All right. So the next way, y'all, is Live Good. So y'all know I love Live Good. I love these products. I don't even got to talk about them, but you know, how many people do you know that needs a product like a Super Red? Super Red is great for, oh, I got it right here. So the Super Reds is great for cardiovascular health, circulation, brain function, and sexual health. This is a superfood. So they got Super Reds and they got Super Greens, and they got you know, the organic mushroom coffee, which I love, 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 y'all. I love it. It helped me to kick a addiction of sugary lattes every morning, and I'm saving a couple dollars because them lattes are expensive, $6 and $7 every day. And you know, the mushroom coffee is only, I think, $17. So basically though, Live Good is a discount membership club, you know, so you can get your health and wellness products. Now, the way you make money though at Live, all I'm going to say is something does not want you to get this make money online for the broken lazy info, because this is the third time, okay? My computer froze up on me, so let's get back to Live Good real quick, y'all. And like I said, stick around till the end. It's about to get spicy up in here, okay? So, all right, yep, but at Live Good, the way you actually make money is when people sign up for the club membership, you get 50% commission. Also, you get into a 10 or 2x15 forced matrix. Okay, so let's get on down, y'all. I gotta hurry up and finish this Canna Globe, y'all. Now let me just try, I'm gonna refresh my screen. Now, let me tell y'all, Canna Globe, when you go to the website, you are going to have to say what country you're in. You are going to have to say if you are 21 or more or older. So if you are not 21 or older, turn the video off. If you are, continue watching. But basically, let me tell y'all, I'm going to show you real quick some of the products. You can get a non-THC pack or you can get the THC pack, okay? But basically you get up to 85% commissions when people buy something in your virtual dispensary, y'all. This is about having a virtual dispensary. They got edibles, they got mushrooms, psychedelic mushrooms. They got all kind of crazy stuff. They got celebrity brands, okay? Snoop Dogg just launched a brand in here. So I'm going to just show you some of the items real quick because I don't want to get in trouble. I don't want any issues. So I want to make sure, because I have to put a disclaimer before I show this stuff, right? But basically you can be an affiliate or you can actually become a virtual dispensary owner and get the 85% commissions, right? So, wait a minute. So, okay, y'all, the prices done changed on us. I didn't know that. But anyway, all right, let's get back to it, okay? Here are an example of some of the gummies, some of the edibles, some of the mushrooms, right? All of that. If you know club owners, you can do the moonshine for their club or their bar or their lounge. They got all sorts of cool items. But basically, I'm gonna tell you, this business took me by surprise because when I first signed up, y'all, and I first offered it, it was like offering free candy to a kid in a candy store. Everybody wanted in. And so I was like, wow, they must know something that I don't know, because I really, it's kind of not in my niche, but I know people who would like it. So that's the reason I signed up, is because of the people I know. But again, it took me by surprise. So this is another one. It was so easy to sell. Okay, but yeah, so if let me know though, y'all. Let me know in the comments, which one of these are you most likely? Which one of these online businesses are you most likely to get started in today? Is it the business loan broker? Is it the RX, the flat fee pharmacy? Is it HBA? Is it Live HBA, the $25 all-in-one business? Is it Live Good? Or is it the virtual dispensary with Canaglobe? Let me know in the comments. All right, now this is the broken lazy part that I'm going to tell you how you quickly implement this and turn it into an online business, and how it's so easy to do, y'all. It's so easy to do. So basically, check it out. Here is, I gotta show y'all. Here is my blog. All right. This is why it's for the broken, lazy people, y'all. So this is my most recent article. It's about how to make money online for beginners. Now, in my blog, y'all, you can actually go to ChatGPT and tell it to write you a blog. And again, just Google it, y'all. I know y'all know what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT, y'all, and you can tell it to write you a blog article. But basically, check this out. On my blog, everywhere you see these blue text, these are all my affiliate links. If people click on these blue text, right? If they click on this stuff, they go to my affiliate links. And let me just show you some examples. If somebody says, I want to start making money online, and they click, they go to my all-in-one business affiliate link. If somebody clicks where it says, where it talks about email marketing, right? You click on that, you will go to my affiliate link for GetResponse, right? So make sure, again, click my links below, because these are all going to give you free trials or discounts, right? So a blogging is a beautiful thing for people who don't like to talk, don't like to do videos, don't like any of that stuff. But this leads me to another online business that you could start. And it's with Kajabi. So you notice right here where I talk about online courses. Now, Kajabi is the platform I use for my online courses. If you go to my link, you are going to get a free trial or a discount, right? But basically, with Kajabi, that is where I write my blog and I hold all of my courses. So what I'm saying is there are so many different services that are done for you. All these websites and templates, all this stuff is already done for you. It's, it's not complicated at all. So that's how you put it all together though, basically. If you see me checking, I'm making sure that I'm still recording because I don't know how I froze earlier, but you know what? It's time for me to end this video. But if you liked what you heard, if anything got hot and spicy for you, drop that fire chat in the comment section and let me know any questions you got too, because I answer each and every one. I appreciate you for making it to the end of this video. Oh, let me give you that special offer too real quick, y'all. At the time of this recording, y'all, let me tell you my new ebook, which is all about making money online, y'all. It's on sale right now. If I can find it, daggone it. All right, it is on sale right now for, boom. Oh, this is not the sales page. I don't think. Well, anyway, it's on sale, y'all, right now for $7. I'm going to put that link below. And, basically it includes my new ebook, which is all about how to make five steps to 5K online each month. Okay, it tells you that. Also, it includes 2 on-demand courses. So this $7 deal special will not last for long. Y'all know it won't, because that is the low for the low. That's really for the broken lazy, okay? But yeah, the 2 on-demand courses that are included is because some people don't like to read. So, hey, I make it easy for y'all. I keep it easy. All right. But thanks for watching this video and sticking around. I gotta go. I had too many complications on this. I'm Katina Willis. I look forward to seeing you on the other side in one of these online businesses with me, with your girl. All right. Talk to you later. Take care. Hello.